I'm 0110, so don't forget to subscribe and follow me in Twitter 0110. So don't forget to like this video and just comment some suggestion, any suggestion. So today we will learn how to use chroma key in Kinemaster. So let's go, let's learn, and let's record this video. Okay, first click this and select aspect ratio. Select what you want. It's the size of your video. So this is the first ratio, and this is second ratio, and this is third ratio. So I'm just showing you guys that what it looks like the three ratio. So I select the first ratio. So let's start. So select media and select the video that you want. Okay, I select my video in Minecraft. So here we go. This is my video. So just any video that you want. So I choose this for me, and then so let's start the chroma key. So select layer and then select media. Select any video that has a green screen or same screen. So this is my choose. It's a green screen. As you can see, guys, that there's a green screen. So we will use chroma screen. So I will crop this one because it's so big. So if you want to change the position, just click that double arrow and just change it. So I choose this one. Go to the main topic, chroma key. So click the chroma key and then click that enable so we can use chroma key. So here we go. As you can see that we use green screen. The green screen does disappear. So here we go. We can use the chroma key. So congrats, you can use the chroma key and you can adjust it. So let's see. This is a video that has a green screen. So there's a copyright music. So I will turn off the music. So I turn on it again. I'm sorry, I don't like copyright. Okay, let's start. Let's see. Then we can move the video, the green screen video. So as you can see, okay, and this is the green screen. And if you want to put some animation, just like this, click the in animation and select animation that you want. So I think I don't like animation, so I will teach you how to use that animation that looks like a key. So as you can see, this is one how to use the animation. The icon looks like a key. So let's click that circle with the plus sign. So it's just we can move this character. Yes, click it and move and it can follow your animation. You can choose any animation that you want. So this is what I want. As you can see that I moved this green screen video and I click that animation with the icon key, looks like a key, and then just click that circle with the plus sign, and if you want to remove it, just click that circle with this minus sign. So as you can see in the green screen video that has circle with the white and red, it means that is the animation that you click or that you add. So as you can see, we finish. That's what I want. So let's see. If you want animation that you control it, just click that animation. Okay, I don't like copyright, so I will turn off the arrow again. So I will turn up the volume so I can copyright. Okay, so this is the animation I make. Okay, as you can see that this animation looks good, and you can control it with the animation. That if you click that animation with the icon looks like a key. So yeah, we finish about that chroma key. So I will add something. If you want the picture or the background or the main video is a picture, so I click background. It's just a picture like plain white. If you want to add anything, just click any picture that you want. And this is again the chroma key and enable, so it can do it in picture or video. You can use chroma key or green screen video. Okay, I will trim this video. It's just a short picture or video that I want to put some or ending video. So looks like a thanks for watching. So I will add some text for ending video. So thanks for watching to end the video. Sorry. Thanks for watching. And then yes, I will change the size and font and change the size that you want. Okay, and we'll change the color so it can visible to the background. Okay, I will change the color, so of course like that, and I will change something that you want and just add some sticker or pictures that you want. Let's export it. Let's click the export and wait for exporting project. So let's wait. Okay, I will skip it. Okay, so here we go guys, and finish. Thanks for watching guys, so don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Goodbye.